Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we bring you the most inspiring stories of legends who changed the world forever. Today we are going to take a deep journey into the extraordinary life of Michael Jackson, the man who became known as the King of Pop. From his humble beginnings in Gray, Indiana to becoming the most famous entertainer on earth, Michael's story is one of talent, triumph, challenges, and everlasting legacy. Stay with us till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more legendary stories like this. Michael Joseph Jackson was born on August 29, 1958 in Gray, Indiana, USA. He was the eighth of 10 children in the Jackson family. His father Joseph Jackson worked in a steel mill and also had dream of becoming a musician. His mother Catherine was a caring woman, deeply religious and introduced the children to gospel music. Life in Gray was not easy. The Jackson lived in a small town bedroom house with 11 people. Money was tight but music was always in their air. Joseph noticed that his son had talent, so he started training them strictly to perform as a band. Michael, even as a little child, stood out. His voice carried emotions far beyond his age, and his energy on stage was magical. By the time he was just 5 years old, Michael was performing with his brothers in what would soon become the Jackson 5. The Jackson 5 was formed with Michael and his brother Jackie, Taito, Jermaine, and Marlon. They began performing in local talent shows, and very quickly Michael's crisp started to capture audience. In 1969, they signed with Motown Records. Their first single, "I Want You Back," became a number 1 hit. Soon followed ABC, "The Love You Save," and the "I Will Be There," all reaching the top of the charts. Michael, through the youngest member, was the star. His dancing, his voice, and his ability to connect the audience made him the face of group. Throughout the early 1970s, the Jackson 5 toured worldwide. Fans screamed for Michael where they want. But behind the scenes, Michael was working harder than any child should. The training was strict and his father's discipline was sometimes very harsh. These early experiences shaped Michael's personality, both his drive for perfection and his deep emotional struggles. By the mid 1970s, Michael was already dreaming of a solo career. Michael's first solo album were released while he was still with Motown, including songs like "Got to Be There" and "Ben." But this true breakthrough came when he teamed up with producer Quincy Jones. Together they worked on Michael's 1979 album "Off the Wall." This album was turning point with songs like "Don't Stop Till You Get Enough" and "Rock With You." Michael moved away from his child star image and became an adult superstar. Off the Wall sold millions of copies worldwide and won Michael his first Germany Grammy Award. But Michael was not satisfied. He wanted to break records and change music forever. And that's exactly what he did next. So in 1982, Michael released Thriller. This was not just an album, it was a revolution. Thriller became the best-selling album in the history, selling more than 100 million copies worldwide. The album produced timeless hits. Billie Jean, where Michael performed the moonwalk for the first time on live television in 1983, creating one of the most iconic dance movements in history. Beat It, a rock-inspired anthem with a legendary guitar solo from Eddie Van Halen. Thriller, a song that became with the groundbreaking 14 minutes music video directed by John Landis. The Thrill video, with its zombies and incredible, changed the way music videos were made forever. Michael Jackson was no more than a singer. He was a global phenomenon. Everywhere he went, fans screamed, fainted, and followed him. His concerts sold out in minutes. He was on top of the world. The king of pop had been crowded. After Thriller, Michael continued his run with more albums. In 1987, he released Bad, featuring songs like Smooth Criminal, Man in the Mirror, and Dirty Diana. The Bad Bird tour became the largest and the most successful tour of the 1980s, drawing millions of fans. In 1991, Michael released Dangerous, which included Black or White, Remember the Time, and Heal the World. His performance and music videos from his era pushed creativity to new levels. By 1995, Michael released History Past, Presents and Future, a double album featuring both greatest hits and new songs. One of its most powerful tracks, Earth Songs, showed his passion for social and environmental issues. Michael was not just an entertainer, he was a messenger who used his music to inspire healing, unity, and love. Michael changed the way the world viewed dance. The moonwalk, the robot, and his sharp spins become legendary. His style, the fedora hat, the sequined glove, the short pants with white socks, become instantly recognized. He inspired millions of young performers to dance, sing, and dream big. Even today, his dance moves and studied, copied, and celebrated worldwide. Michael Jackson cared deeply about people, especially children. He donated millions of dollars to charities and created the Heal of World Foundation. His songs We Are the World, written with Lionel Richie in 1985, brought together dozens of famous artists and raised millions of family relief in Africa. Michael often visited children's hospitals, supported orphans, and used his platform to call the peace and unity. But with the fame came struggles. Michael's changing appearance led the endless media. He suffered from a skin condition called vitiligo, which changed the color of his skin, but the media often mocked him. His lifestyle, such as living at Neverland Ranch with rides and animals, made him a target of tabloids. The 1990s and 2000s brought legal challenges and scandals that deeply hurt Michael. Although he was acquitted in court, the damage to his reputation was lasting. These struggles affected his mental and physical health, but through it all, his fans remained loyal. By the late 2000s, Michael was preparing for a massive comeback tour called This Is It. The concerts were scheduled in London and were expected to be some of the greatest shows of his career. But tragically, on June 25, 2009, Michael Jackson passed away at the age of 50. The world was shocked. Millions of fans gathering in cities across the globe to mourn the king of pop. His memorial service was watched by over a billion people, proving once again his unmatched impact on the world. Today, more than a decade after his passing, Michael Jackson's influence is stronger than ever. He remains the best-selling solo artist of all time. His music videos are studied in film schools. His dance moves are copied by the stars like Usher, Chris Brown, and even BTS. And his songs continue to inspire hope and love. Michael Jackson was not just an entertainer, he was a global culture icon. He redefined music, performance, and celebrity. His legacy lives forever in his art and in the hearts of his fans. Michael Jackson's life was a journey of incredible highs and heartbreaking lows, but through it all, he gave the world a gift that will never fade: his music, his message, and his magic. So my beautiful viewers, thank you for watching this special story of the King of Pop. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories about legends who shape history. So my beautiful viewers, if you like this video, please share this video with your family and friends, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.